10 jobs that will exist in 2075 but don't exist today. In-depth analysis. The world in 2075 will be shaped by breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, quantum computing, biotechnology, space exploration, and climate engineering. Human civilization will likely have expanded into space, merged more deeply with machines, and developed ways to manipulate biology and consciousness. Below are 10 highly plausible future jobs, including their purpose, background, required skills, and ethical considerations. 1. Neuronavigation Specialist, why it will exist. By 2075, brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, will be mainstream, allowing people to interact with technology using their thoughts. Memory enhancement, thought sharing, and direct-to-brain learning will be possible, but users will need help navigating these neural landscapes safely and effectively. What they do: assist individuals in organizing and optimizing their memory by categorizing thoughts and experiences, help with emotional regulation by modifying the brain's neural pathways, enable direct-to-brain communication, helping people upload knowledge or skills, guide patients recovering from neurological disorders, such as Alzheimer's or traumatic brain injuries. Skills required: advanced neuroscience and AI integration, ability to design custom neural experiences and memory storage systems, ethical understanding of privacy concerns regarding mental data. Ethical concerns: could be used for mind control or manipulation, risk of hacking memories or implanting false experiences. Second, quantum network architect. Why it will exist: quantum computing will replace classical computing, leading to a fully quantum-powered internet. This will require new infrastructure to handle instantaneous data transmission and unbreakable encryption using quantum entanglement. What they do: design and maintain the quantum internet, develop quantum cryptography systems to protect against cyber threats, manage the integration of human neural data into quantum networks for faster AI-human interaction. Skills required: mastery of quantum mechanics and AI-driven computation, cybersecurity expertise in quantum cryptography. Ethical concerns: governments could monopolize quantum communication, controlling global information flow. The power of quantum hacking could expose private data worldwide. 3. Climate engineer why it will exist. By 2075, climate change will be at a critical stage, requiring geoengineering solutions to stabilize the environment. Entire ecosystems may need artificial intervention to maintain life. What they do: deploy atmospheric carbon capture technology to remove greenhouse gases, use solar reflectors in orbit to control planetary temperatures, develop self-sustaining cities that integrate seamlessly with nature. Skills required: mastery of geoengineering, environmental science, and atmospheric physics, knowledge of AI-driven climate modeling. Ethical concerns: who decides which regions get priority for climate stabilization? Potential unintended consequences, such as creating unnatural weather patterns. If you are interested on the complete list, subscribe to our channel for more.